Hello guys, welcome back to Jack and Cunt. Today I'm playing another Roblox Bloxburg something video, and today I'm showing you my brand new house that I actually recently built, me and my cousin, my friend. Well, big thanks to Unicorn Puppies something. I'll just show you, she's been in my videos. We've done part 1 of our morning routine, thinking we're jiggy. But yeah, so I'm playing another one, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to get notified every time I post a new video. So I think it's time to get to work. Just put it up here, put that volume down a little. My house, I'll say, it's really nice. Now, I was working a lot to get more money, so I probably have about 20,000 probably by now, because I was working probably a lot, and I had 17, so I had to work a lot. No, now I have 19, okay, but don't look at my outfit. Don't look at it. Okay, now don't look at, wait, that? But here is my gorgeous house. Here's the outside. I really love the outside. I'm just going to put the electricity on, but yes. There. Now every single light in the house is on. Don't look at those lights. They're from my old house. I had a little Christmas thing there. Don't look. Alright, so here is my house. So first when you're walking through the front door, as soon as you walk forward, you see this cute little welcome to our home, and it has this cute little desk with a hand circle, something, a picture, cards, and a plant. If you look on your left, we have the cute little kitchen. I need to put a sink. And I'm also going to put an island because I have this big space here. And then I have my dining table. I have some food because I was doing a role play, but I forgot to record it. So I stopped the whole thing, and I'll be doing this again, the whole role play. Then on your right, we have a cute little living room. Here in the corner, we have the switch, the plant, and this little coat hanger. I hate the motor. I hate when the front door just opens straight away because it's annoying. We have the living room. Then here on the side we have the door that goes to the garage. Not much, just the car. And this cute little reading area because I didn't know what to put here. So yeah, some more books. Backyard will be later. Upstairs in this room we have our snack room. Yes. And then right from here is a bathroom. We have a toilet, cute little decoration, books, soap, shampoo and conditioner, bathtub with some washing to do, some books, and a shower. It's a bath and a shower. Then the main thing, the mirror. Then if you come into this room, we have the kids' room. Now I made this bed blue because I was doing a role play with 2 boys, 2 kid boys, the old kids, because the girls didn't want to be my parents. And then when I said ABC, who wants to be my kid, ABC for 2 kids for my YouTube channel, roleplay, and these 2 did it first, so we had to make the other blue and pink, and then pink, but I'm definitely changing it back to pink. Yeah, okay, so we have a cute little painting. We have a sun. I don't really know what you do for this decoration, but yeah. We have washing lines, then we have toys, boxes with toys. And in here is my little laundry room. I just like to put here. It's kind of weird when you see it you don't really see this room much from outside because it's right where the garage is. Oh yeah. Then here we have a cute little balcony. And then also over here we have another little balcony, just so you can watch over, not really much. Then, the best room of all. Wait, let me quickly do something. Wait. Okay, I'm back. All I had to do is make my bed because it was messed up. But here we have my room. So my room is like full on. So okay, let me turn off these lights. I don't really like those lights to be like right there. Like I don't know, I just don't like. We have my bed with a cute little picture. We have a chandelier. We have my laundry on the side. I have cute little toys here on the, we have this. Now my friends did pull a water prank on me. What the water prank is, that like you get someone to make you guest or something and you just put water everywhere in the house. So my friends did that to me and they put it everywhere so I had to delete. So what I did to make it easier, I got a table. I put like my computer, like I put everything on the side. Deleted the desk. Then I put the desk back and put the computer and pen. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, it's my room. I have the chandelier. We have my dresser. We have some music. We have the books and my desk. And then of course I have to have a balcony as well too. So we have a balcony. So that's pretty much my whole entire house. Oh wait, we cannot forget about the backyard. We can. That bag just went. That bag literally just like. Okay, so let's go downstairs and we have the backyard. Backyard, I just want to make a cute little picnic area, so I have this. Oh, for fairy lights. Barbecue. You can actually use this barbecue thing. So my friend. I used it, it's so helpful. So now I think, don't look at that mistake. I'm just gonna need a fix. Don't look at that. Just nothing was ever there. I think I'm gonna go for a little stroll around the world and look at other people's houses. Maybe get some ideas. So if I want to delete my house, or if I'm not deleting my house. I really want to make my house a 3rd story. I feel like it would look weird because it's just like that. You can't even see the roof, or you can see something brown. Like, I think I might change the roof. Okay, I'm gonna change the roof on camera. I'll do it with you guys. Change the roof with you, because you can't even see it. Like, I want you to be able to see this lovely done roof. So, roof, I can just do the tall roof. Oh, there we go. That's literally all I needed. Just that. And I'm gonna color it. Color that color. Done. Okay, now let's do a little stroll. Look at other people's houses, and I do really want to make my house. Sorry about that. I really want to try to. Okay, I'm going to try to put water everywhere in this girl's house. Knock on her house and like, hi! Hi! I have no clue what this person's house is. I don't even know if it's a girl or something, so let's see. I don't know. Whose house is this? Let me go see, let me go check. Because I really like what they've done. On set. Who's on set? Well, they 100% not in the chat. But I can glitch. Okay, so I'm gonna glitching. Yes, please. Okay. And they're watching TV. I know they're in their house. They're in their house. Is it working? I don't know. This is not gonna work. Normally I glitch in like straight away. The roof isn't even good. I can put this person in a house. So good, okay. Okay, well, just gonna need to end this video like this. I can't even like. Well, bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye!